Hello everyone, welcome back to Storytime with Renu. Today I'm going to share with you a story of Kamath Mom and a tender coconut. Kamath Mom loved to eat and he was nice and chubby because of that. But what he loved the most was tender coconut. Like any other house in Kerala, he had one coconut tree in his garden. So he had a steady supply of tender coconuts. But Kamath Mom loved to have at least one tender coconut a day. All the tender coconuts were stored in a room. Every day, Kamath Mom would go to that room, take out one tender coconut, chop off the top very carefully, then pour the tender coconut water into a glass. Then he would drink to the very last drop. He would then pick up the coconut, cut it open and scoop up all the tender, yummy flesh soft with his hand and oh, how he loved the taste of that tender coconut. But one day, when he went into the storeroom, not a single tender coconut to be found. Kamakshi, there are no more tender coconuts here, he shouted to his wife. Well, what do you expect? Every single day, you have one tender coconut. Yeah, but aren't there any more on the tree? On the tree. Well, you'll have to wait for another 3 months till the tender ones start growing. But I want one today. Well, if you want one so badly, why don't you go to the market and buy one? Market? Buy one? Kamath Mom didn't like to walk. And more than that, he didn't like to spend money at all. But his need for tender coconut was so much that he decided to go. So he tied up his veshti above his knee, put on his shirt and left the house. As he started to walk, he started to sweat. It was a very hot day. He walked and sweated. So sweating and walking, walking and sweating, sweating and walking, walking and sweating, he reached the small market. Right outside the market was the coconut seller. Kamath Mom looked at all the coconuts and then pointed out to the biggest one and said, "How much for that one?" And the seller said, "Only 10 rupees. 10 rupees? 10 rupees? Can't you give it to me for 5? 5 rupees. It's 10 rupees. You want it? Take it. If you want a tender coconut for 5 rupees, go to the big market. Oh, how far is it? Not very far. So Kamath Mom, who didn't like to walk, had to walk some more. So he continued to walk, wiping away his sweat. And now he started to pant. So walking and sweating, sweating and walking, puffing and panting, panting and puffing, he reached the big market. Standing right outside the big market was the coconut seller. So Kamath Mom stopped. How much for the tender coconut? 5 rupees only, said the seller. 5 rupees? But these are smaller than the ones in the small market. Can't you give it to me for 2? 2 rupees. I'm not going to give it to you for 2 rupees. Take it for 5 rupees. Otherwise go away. But I've come all this way. Well, if you want a coconut for 2 rupees, go to the riverside. There's a man sitting there selling tender coconuts for 2 rupees. Okay. Oh, Deva. Kamath Mom was tired, but now the thought of that tender coconut kept him going. By now his legs were aching and his feet were hurting, but he continued to walk. Walking and sweating, sweating and walking, walking and sweating, sweating and walking, puffing and panting, panting and puffing. Legs were aching, feet were hurting, legs were aching, feet were hurting. Finally, he reached the riverside. There was that man sitting with a basket with just a few tender coconuts. Oh, how much for that tender coconut? 2 rupees, 2 rupees. 2 rupees? Can't you give it to me for 1 rupee? I cannot give it to you for 1 rupee. You want it? Take it for 2 rupees. Oh Deva, I've come so far. My legs are hurting and you want 2 rupees for this? Do you want tender coconuts for free? For free? Where will I get it for free? Can you see that coconut tree there? Yes. Can you see all the tender coconuts on that? Yes. All those tender coconuts are for free. Oh, but how do I get them? Climb the tree, of course. Oh, but by now, Kamath Mom's need for that tender coconut was even higher now. He was hungry, he was thirsty, and the thought of going back all the way home without a tender coconut was just not possible. So he continued to walk, and when he reached the tree, he looked up. Not a very tall tree. I shall climb. So he tied up his waist even higher and started to climb the tree. He went up and up and up, sweating and climbing, climbing and sweating, sweating and climbing, climbing and sweating, till he was at the top. He held on to one branch and started looking at all the tender coconuts. This one is nice, but that one is even nicer. What about that one? This one? Oh, that is really big. I think I will go for that. And he reached out with his hands. His feet slipped, and there he was dangling, holding on to that tender coconut. Help! Help! He shouted. Luckily for him, a mahout was going by on his elephant. Hey, what are you doing there? Help me! Help! Wait. The man brought his elephant close to Kamath Mom's feet and said, I'm going to stand on my elephant. I'll just about be able to reach your feet. Then you can come back slowly. He stood on top of the elephant and took hold of Kamath Mom's feet. Just then, the elephant saw some sugar cane in a field close by and walked away. And there was the mahout holding on to Kamath Mom's feet and Kamath Mom holding on to that tender coconut, and both of them started shouting for help. Help! Help! After some time, a horse rider came by. He looked up at the two of them and said, Hey, what are the two of you doing here? Help us! Help us! So he said, wait. He brought the horse close to the mahout's feet and said, I'll hold on to your feet and then the two of you can come down very slowly. But just as he stood on top of the horse and held on to the mahout's feet, the horse saw some grass and walked away. So there were the three of them, the horseman holding on to the mahout's feet, the mahout holding on to Kamath Mom's feet, and Kamath mom holding on to that coconut. All three of them dangling. The horseman looked up at Kamath mom and said, "Hold on to that coconut. I'll give you 200 rupees. And the mahout said, "Hold on to that coconut. I'll give you 300 rupees. And Kamath mom was so happy. Ooh, 300 rupees, that too for a free tender coconut. How many tender coconuts I can buy for that? And he took off his hands. What do you think happened then? Dhamal! All three of them came crashing to the ground. Luckily, the mahout and the horse rider, who were closer to the ground, got away with just a few bruises and cuts. But what about Kamath mom? He had broken his leg. Ayyo, 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 deva, ayyo. He shouted in pain. Soon an ambulance was brought there. Kamath mom was taken to the hospital. His leg was put in a cast and he had to stay there for a week. And can you imagine that amount on that bill by the time he left the hospital? He had to spend so much money, all for the sake of a free tender coconut. And that's the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for listening. Bye.